Hello everybody, today I show you how to install PHP. I continue from chapter 1, now I show about chapter 2, PHP installation. Okay, we have content here, what is Syntax and PHP syntax and command in PHP we can use in PHP for your command, yes. Okay, what do you need? If your server support PHP, you don't need to do anything, but just you can create some .php file, okay, and directory in web server will pair them for you because it's free most website uh, of PHP support, okay. And if your server don't support, you must install a PHP. Okay, this website you can install a PHP file. Okay, and download PHP file for free and MySQL database. Okay, and Apache server you can download. Yes. Okay, now when you install already, you can be start PHP with a syntax PHP. Okay, PHP script on is executed on the server and the plain text result is sent to back to uh, the browser to show for user can see, yes. And PHP script you can start with this tab, okay, and close with this tab, okay. And PHP syntax you can uh, so this PHP script with and this and uh, but recommend standard is this start PHP for standard, yes. Okay, this see PHP tab open and script code PHP and then it close tab for PHP, yes. Okay, when you can write already, you can save your file, the name you want and the extension .php. Okay, PHP syntax you can uh, file PHP normal can contain HTML tab and some PHP script. Okay, this code, yes, you can write command with HTML and PHP. Okay, for use echo hello world. That means you can display hello world in the browser. Okay, and semicolon when each line of PHP code is and must end with a semicolon. Yes, semicolon separate with the you distinguish one set of instruction from another. Okay, and echo or print for the statement for output attack. Yes. Okay, and when you use echo or print is the text output the hello world. Okay, and comment in PHP have comment the same another language. Okay, this command is close block, yes, and this, yes. Okay, this command is close as one statement and close block statement. Okay, the chapter 1 I show you about this simple for you can learn with us. Okay, I think that you can learn with step by step with us. That thank you.